get her to call me on one of the oldest phones possible. Okay? You think you can do it? All right, let's go. Here's the phone that I want you to use to call yourself. You got a phone, right? Call your number on this phone. No, you're wrong. You're wrong. Start over. Try it one more time. We're gonna try to call your number on this phone. Go ahead. Try it. Oh, another failed attempt. So come here. Come here. So listen. So these are the type of phones that we had to use as kids to call each other on the rotary dial. But now, the kids these days are used to automatic, digital, and they can't use a rotary phone. Was it hard for you to do?
Yes.
Do you think you can attempt it one more time to call your phone? No? So let me show you how to do it.